Oke, kembali lagi bersama gua Mas Wing dan malam ini gua bakal melanjutkan bermain game sangat fantastis ini bernama Red Dead Redemption. Oke. Terakhir kita udah menjalankan misi ini ya, nangkep orang pakai lasso. Dan selanjutnya gue bakal lanjutin misi di game ini. Kira-kira misi kayak gimana lagi ya yang bisa kita jalanin. Oke, langsung aja kita langsung mainkan gamenya. Let's go guys.
Well, I thought you was reading him his last rites. Now I see you're introducing him to your other passion.
I'll mind you to show me some respect, Mr. Morgan.
Mind away, Reverend. You still here then? I owe you. Yeah. And you'll pay me. But for the moment, just rest. Arthur. I think it's time for the train. Want me to come? Of course I do, but look at you. I was always ugly, Dutch. It's just a scratch. Don't lie still, son. Hello, Abigail.
Dutch,
Jackie.
the boy wanted to see you, John.
He's seen me now. Or what's left of me. What about you?
Guess I was hoping to see a corpse.
Bide your time. You'll see plenty of them.
You're a rotten man, John Marston.
He is an idiot, Abigail. We all know it. Now, railway men. Bill, now you ride ahead and set the charge at the water tower just before the tunnel.
Ain't a problem. Why are we doing this? Weather's breaking. We could leave. I thought we was lying low.
Yeah, come on. What do you want from me, Hosea?
I just don't want any more folks to die, Dutch.
We're living, Hosea. We're living. Look at me. We're living. Even you. But we need money. Everything we has in Blackwater. You fancy heading back there?
No. Listen, Dutch, I ain't trying to undermine you. I just want to stick to the plan, which was to lie low, then head back out west. Now, suddenly we're about to rob a train.
What choice have we got?
Leviticus Cornwall's no joke, Dutch.
Who is Leviticus Cornwall?
He's a big railway magnate, sugar dealer, oil man.
Well, how good for him. Sounds like he has more than enough to share.
Dutch!
Gentlemen, it is time to make something of ourselves. Get your horses ready. We have a train to rob.
Gila bos. Mau begal kereta dia.
All right, let's head out.
Oke, let's go guys. Kita bakal ngerampok kereta ya. Ngebegal kereta.
Okay, gentlemen, listen up. All of you. According to the information so kindly provided to us by the O'Driscolls, the train will be coming north from Big Valley. We're gonna pick it off after it crosses the border into the Grizzlies. There's a raised spot there that should give us good vantage. Charles, you'll keep lookout for any outriders. How's that hand, by the way? I'll be fine. Good. I'll take the driver and engineer, then run point. Lenny and Javier, you two take the front cars, deal with any guards. Arthur and Micah, you head straight for the back. That's what we're after. Mr. Cornwall's private car.
You and me, Morgan.
Great. Have you got a problem with that?
Not if you keep your head for once.
You worry about yourself, huh?
Enough! After Bill blows the tracks, we're gonna need to move fast. Is everyone clear on what they're doing?
Yep. Crystal.
Yes, boss.
Good. Now come on. Let's ride.
Apakah mereka bakalan sukses buat ngebegal keretanya? Kita lihat nanti.
Out of the snow, finally. Feels good, doesn't it? But we need to get this done fast now it's thawing, before anyone gets up here after us.
Just happy we're back at 'em, Dutch.
You sure you're ready for this, kid?
Of course I'm ready.
Just stay calm. Keep your eyes sharp. That goes for all of you. No mistakes. Not again.
So we do this, then we go back to Blackwater to collect.
How many times you gonna ask the same question, Micah?
That's a lot of damn money to leave sitting for too long.
It would be crazy to go back there now. The place will be swarming with Pinkertons.
We go back when I say we go back. And that's the end of it. The money's safe. You'll just have to trust me. And if the O'Driscolls are right, there'll be a stack of railroad bonds on this train. Good money, once we work out how to cash them. Now everyone, shut up and get your mind on the job at hand. Come on.
Easy.
There's the water tower. Hold up here on the ridge.
Nah, ini kita udah menemukan rel keretanya ya.
Is Bill there? Yeah. You want to head down? See how he's getting on?
Okay.
Cih. Kudanya berak. Check on Bill. Oke, jadi gue harus apa nih? Harus ngapain nih gue ya? Kok- Jadi kita ngambil apa nih guys? Teropong kah? Jadi gue harus jalan ke sana gitu.
Is there a problem, Arthur?
This is a good spot.
Yeah. I must remember to thank Colm O'Driscoll.
Gue harus turun gitu, harus turun.
planned it out so well for us.
And for providing all the explosives. Real generous of the fella.
Aduh, nggak ada petunjuknya lagi nih. Aduh. Gue harus ngapain ini?
How you getting on?
Oh,
I'm okay. You sure? Of course. Can I help a little?
All right. Go ahead and set up the detonator by those rocks over there.
Okay, sure.
Now just unspool the wire and then attach it to said detonator.
pick up the spool. Ini. Connect the wire to the detonator.
Train will have been and gone if you don't hurry up.
Oke. Connect wire.
Okay.
Okay.
This is good.
All right. That should do it. You head back up to the others. I got it from here.
Oke, kita balik lagi ke kelompok kita ya.
I have to say, I'm rather looking forward to it. Just be ready to move quick and remember the plan, all of you. No mistakes.
Ini jangan sampai ada kesalahan nih.
He says all fine.
We'll soon find out.
Everything okay?
I think so.
Okay, cover your faces. Train should be here any minute now.
Tap. Switch to item. Select clothes with and press Q. Release tab to equip the disguise.
Gentlemen, it's time. Good luck, all of you. You all know what to do.
Oke, apakah berhasil?
Here we go.
Loh,
Shit! No! What? God!
Oh, you have got to be kidding me.
kok nggak meledak sih?
More. You said it was fine.
Come on! You're pathetic. You know that?
Jump on the train.
Here we go! Here we go!
Wih. Wah, jatuh teman kita.
Oh shit!
Mana dia?
Help!
Oh, tuh Lenny. Kita tolongin Lenny.
Stop yelling!
Oh shit, shit, shit!
Oh, diklik terus.
Okay. Now, let's go slow this thing down.
Where's Javier?
He fell. The others will get him.
You and me, big man.
Come on, we need to stop this train.
There's another guard up ahead. You want me to take him? Arthur, who's going?
Oke, kita berjalan pelan-pelan ya.
We best get up there.
Do not let them stop this train.
Kita ganti senapan dulu ya.
Should we move up?
Oke, headshot.
Yeah, I'm good. What the hell was Bill doing?
Kemana?
Well, I hooked up the wire, but we won't mention that.
Kok malah turun sih?
We gotta hurry. We have to stop this train.
Iya, sabar.
What we're doing, kid.
What is wrong with you boys? Kill 'em!
Kill that bastard!
I'm moving up. We have to stop this train.
Susah sekali.
If we don't stop this train soon,
Woi.
I know, just stay calm.
Pukul terus.
I ain't got a clear shot.
Rasain tuh. Yuk kita turun guys. Akhirnya, mana lagi kita?
Shit, more guards coming out of that train car.
Oke, headshot.
Ollie,
Nice.
sisters must be guarding something.
Mana lagi nih guys?
We need the car at the back, right?
Headshot.
Keep pushing them.
You got this.
Nice.
Think so?
Good.
Kok reload sih?
Good, kid. Where the hell are the others?
I don't know.
Kemana
Damn it! I thought that was all of them.
We're gonna get out of this.
Oh, I know we are.
Mana lagi nih?
I'ma hang your Sally, son.
Hey, there's the other boy.
You're breathing your last breath.
Oke, 1 2. Satu peluru lagi.
Still more coming off the train.
Aduh.
Good shooting, kid.
I can see now why the O'Driscolls brought so many boys up here for this.
Arthur, get over here.
Oke, udah selesai guys. Peperangan sudah selesai.
Yes, let's get the money and go.
We got some fellas holed up in this last car.
Ah, shit.
What are you boys planning on doing in there? Listen to me. We don't want to kill any of you. Any more of you. I give you my word, but trust me, we will.
I work for Leviticus Corps.
Come on, boys.
We got our orders.
Okay. You asked for it.
We ain't
5,
opening this door.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Cepet banget.
Our friends have gone deaf. Wake them up a little. Mr. Williamson, give Mr. Morgan and Mr. Smith some dynamite. You two boys go blow that door open. Now, don't matter too much to us, but you boys in there might want to take a step back.
Seems good enough. Not
Here we
like
go.
the fuse.
Unless you got a death wish, I'd step back, fellers.
Lari, lari, lari. Jangan deket-deket. Oke. Sudah kebuka ya?
Just walk on out here. We don't want to kill you.
My, oh
We just want to rob your boss. Get on up there. Search that train.
Wih, santai dong. Kok gue didorong sih? Jalan nggak pakai mata ya, heran.
Look at this place. It's like a palace.
Well, now I've seen everything.
Oh, you two got the safe? I'll search the rest.
Oh, yes. Should be easy as cake.
What's your name?
You're just gonna stand there, kid. Pour me some brandy, will you? I'm parched.
Shut up. Me and Arthur did all the work.
Yeah, kid did good.
Didn't
Oke,
see
kita
you
nyari
rush to jump on that
barang
train.
lagi ya.
He's keen. I'll give you
Jameson
that.
Mining and Coal Company.
Okay, let's see if we can get this open.
Tulisannya nggak kebaca, guys.
Come on. Come on.
Tulisan sambung.
Getting there. Ha. Ah. There. See? That's how it's done. Shit. Just a pile of papers.
Bonds?
I don't think so. Here. Make yourself useful. At least we all know you can read.
Give me those.
Oke, di kabinet kita dapat apa nih?
Railroad contracts, invoices, blah, blah, blah. You got anything?
Not really.
Bon.
Sugar imports from the Spanish West.
I think I got him.
Nice.
Thank God. Come on.
Nggak dapat apa-apa ini. Nggak dapat apa-apa, guys.
Just waiting on you, Arthur.
Sabar dong. Nih si Dutch ini nggak sabaran lo ya.
What did you find?
These bonds. They worth anything?
Oh, sure. Bearer bonds. I think we can probably sell these pretty easily. Well done. Now, would you get rid of all of this?
The train?
Yeah, get it out of here.
What about them?
What do you think?
I don't know.
It's up to you. Kill them, leave them here, take them with you on the train. Just make sure they don't send no folk after us.
Okay.
See you back at camp. When you get back, we'll be moving on. The rest of you, let's ride!
Deal with the guards.
Okay. Get on the train. Quick. All of you. Any bright ideas, I kill all three of you. So behave. Come on. Move.
We won't tell a soul, I swear.
Said quick.
Karena kita orangnya baik, jadi kita nggak mau ngebunuh ya. Manusia berhak apa? Berhak hidup. Ngelut dulu dikit ya. Padahal gue tadi sebelumnya juga ngebunuh ya. Kayaknya nggak perlu deh. Ngapain gue gotong dia?
Let's go, boy.
Gue mencet shift repeat, malah keluar notif. Oh, kita disuruh bawa keretanya. Oh, dijalanin doang. Oke, sudah selesai misi yang pertama ya untuk malam ini.
For Lord's sake, put that book away and go help. Oh, Mary Beth.
So, we getting out of this hellhole?
We're gonna try. Weather seems stable.
And we just robbed the Leviticus Cornwall train.
We got money in our pockets. The worst is behind us, gentlemen. So the question is, where now?
I know this country a little. I told you, we should set up camp in Horseshoe Overlook near Valentine. We'll be able to hide out there no problem, as long as we keep our noses clean.
Well, then let's go. Clean noses and everything else. Arthur, you're in that one. Bring Hosea. I know you two like to talk about the good old days and what's gone wrong with old Dutch.
Up and go do your job.
Ini karena badai saljunya udah selesai, jadinya mereka kayaknya melanjutkan perjalanan lagi deh. Karena kan camp yang sebelumnya itu kan tempat sementaranya mereka kan, jadinya ya nggak mungkin selamanya di situ. Lagunya enak banget guys. Apalagi ditambah
Micah, get over here.
pemandangan yang indah kayak gini kan.
You two ride up ahead, make sure there's no surprises. We've had enough of those.
Me with the boy?
Just go.
Come on, kid. You can buy me a whiskey.
Get us out the stream. Gotta keep us moving, but calm.
Ya Allah.
Okay, let's take a look.
You all right back there?
Does everything look all right?
Well, what's going on?
I broke the
Bannya
goddamn
copot.
wheel.
All right, let's get it fixed.
Rodanya
Need
copot.
help?
I reckon we can handle it. All right, Charles, you and me hold the thing up while you try and put the wheel back on, Arthur.
You still strong enough to hold up a wagon?
Shut up.
I'm just saying.
Don't say less. Pick the wheel up. Nearly there. There.
See? You ain't so useless after all.
Not quite.
Udah aki-aki disuruh ngangkat gerobak ya. Kuat juga no aki-aki.
What do you think?
If they wanted trouble, we wouldn't have seen them.
Poor bastards. We really screwed them over down here. Come on, let's not push our luck.
What happened?
Well, get in. I'll tell you. Not too far now. Stay on this trail.
Jadi tadi kita dipantau sama orang suku Indian ya.
We'll never get there at this pace.
So, yes, the Indians in these parts got sold a very raw deal. This is the heartlands we're going to. Good farming and grazing country, they lost it all. Stolen clean away from them it was, every blade of grass. Killed or herded up to the reservations in the middle of nowhere.
And how's that different from anywhere else?
Well, maybe it's not. I just heard some of the army out here was particularly unpleasant about it.
Unpleasant? How do you rob and kill people pleasantly? We don't. Despite it, that's just talk.
I fear I was perhaps trying to simplify something more complicated for the benefit of our block-headed driver here.
Hey, don't blame it on me. Never forget, this here's a con man, Charles, born and bred. Just 'cause it sounds fancy don't mean he knows a damn thing about what he's talking about. So, what happened to your tribe?
I don't even know if I have one. At least, not that I can remember. My father was a colored man. He told me he lived with our people for a while. A number of free men did, but when we were forced to move from our lands, the three of us fled. I was too young to really remember much. My whole life I've been on the run. A couple years later, some soldiers captured my mother. Took her somewhere. We never saw her again. We drifted around. He was a very sad man, and the drink had a mean hold on him. Around 13, I just took off on my own.
That was about the age we found young Arthur here. Maybe a little older. A wilder delinquent you never did see. But he learned fast.
Not as fast as Marston, apparently.
Wait, I don't understand. What's the problem between you two?
Arthur?
Yeah, it's a long story. We we still heading the right way?
That depends. Are we still heading west in search of fortune and repose in virgin forests as we planned? No. Are we heading in the correct direction on our desperate escape from the law eastwards down the mountains? Yes, I believe so.
You know this area?
A little. I've been through a couple of times. There's a livestock town not too far from here called Valentine. Cowboys, outlaws, working girls, our kind of place.
Driscoll's?
Probably them too.
Pinkertons?
Let's hope not.
And this place we're going. Wait, what's it called again?
Horseshoe Overlook.
It's a good place to lie low?
It'll do for now. And how low do you think Dutch is really going to lie? It's just, you know, maybe it's me who's changed, not him, but we kept telling him that ferry job didn't feel right. You and me had a real lead in Blackwater that could have worked out.
Maybe.
It just isn't like Dutch to lose his head like that.
Things go wrong sometimes. People die. It's the way it is. Always has been. Me, you, Dutch. We've all been in this line of work a long time. And we're still here, so I figure we must have got it right a hell of a lot more than we got it wrong. What are you working on there, anyway?
Just some yarrow and ginseng. Good for the health. Better than that stuff you buy in the store. Yeah, you can have all this. I'm at the point where I can do it with my eyes closed.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Kita dapat ginseng ya. Dikasih sama aki-aki. Jalan. Gue malah mencet kontrol tadi. Kuda jalan lebih cepat. Ada apa itu?
Yep.
There you are, brother. Head in there. Follow the track for a bit.
Thanks.
Hey, slow up. I'll jump on.
Sumpah ya, dari segi vibes-nya tuh adem banget ya.
Here we are, gentlemen. Home sweet home.
You weren't wrong, Hosea. This place is perfect.
I hope so.
Gentlemen, we have survived.
For now.
Now, it is time to prosper.
Arthur and I were about to prosper in Blackwater. We were onto something big. Then Micah got you all excited about that ferry, and here we are.
We have all made mistakes over the years, Hosea. Every last one of us. But I kept us together. Kept us alive. Kept the nooses off our neck.
I guess I'm just worried. I ain't got that long, Dutch. I want folks safe before I go.
Me too.
And now we are stuck, east of the Grizzlies and out of money, and a long way from our dream of virgin land in the west.
I know, my brother. But we are safe. We make a bit of money here. Then we move again. Head out around them. Be west of Uncle Sam. In a few months, buy some land.
I hope so.
Would you just look around you? This world has its consolations.
Gentlemen, I'm going to head into the local town and,
See if I can strike up a little business.
Of course, Herr Strauss. I prefer robbing banks to usury. Seems more dignified somehow. Now, everyone, put your tools down for a moment. Come on, gather round. Quickly now. I know that things have been tough, but we are safe now, and we are far too poor. So it is time for everyone to get to work.
Get to work, but stay out of trouble. Remember, we are itinerant workers.
Laid off when they shut down our factory to the north. Now get out there and see what you can find. Uncle, Reverend Swanson, no more passengers. It is time for everyone to earn their keep.
There is a town a little way down the track named Valentine. Livestock town, all mud and morons, if I remember right. That seems a decent place to start.
And, we need food. Real food. That means every day. One of you.
And remember, whatever it is that you find, the camp gets its slice. Now be sensible out there.
Now, the girls have your tent ready, Mr. Morgan. Come with me. You two will be ready shortly. We put you over here.
I'm sure everything will be fine, Miss Grimshaw.
It should be. Most of your stuff from Blackwater got saved.
Everything apart from my money.
Oh, don't remind me.
Well, we can always make more money.
We're gonna have to. Miss Jackson, I've seen shit with more common sense than you. Do it properly.
Gila bos, kompleks banget nih game ya. Lu masalah bikin baju aja harus ngumpulin materialnya dulu. Gue kan main Rockstar kan ya paling kayak main GTA gitu kan. Jadinya cuma tinggal beli baju,
Off the mountain,
ganti.
rode east into some pretty enough country called the Heartlands. Ain't been this far east in many a year. Dutch seems a little better. His eyes are sparkling once more, and I can see he's thinking a little clearer. I think we all feel a little happier, in spite of Blackwater and that whole mess.
Arthur?
Jose?
Quite a day.
Let's hope so.
There's a bunch of the boys already in Valentine. Bill, Charles, and Javier. And Swanson found something down at the train station by the lake, apparently. And Strauss came back with that creepy little smile on his face. I'm sure there's a whole list of unfortunates he's forced money upon.
Thank you. And you?
I'm gonna read a book.
Ya ampun kompleks banget nih game ya.
Oh, Arthur, my boy. My dear boy.
What's going on?
Nothing. Nothing at all. For the first time in weeks. Nothing. We're free. We're free to plan our own futures once more.
I hope so, Dutch.
You kept the faith, Arthur. You always kept it.
Gila, giliran masalah jenggot aja juga diperhatiin loh. Gokil. Contribute. Kita kasih berapa ya? Cuman $2 aja.
That is what I like to see.
Coba kita keliling dulu ya guys. Donate juga.
I'm down to the scraps here now, Mr. Morgan.
Kita donate all aja ya.
Good job, Arthur.
This all I got for you.
Thank you, Arthur. Mr. Morgan, bring me some materials, and I'll be glad to make something nice for you.
Ada satchel, Arthur Slot King, John Slot King, camp tables, chuck wagon, main campfire, scout campfire. Coba kita pilih satchel dulu ya. Oh, ini tuh sling bag ya, apa sih sebutannya?
Remember, you won't find something like
Kalau di
this
kita
anywhere
tuh
else.
bag masih kunci. Alligator School. Buat apa ya?
I'll need you to go find me the right materials before I can make that.
Dua kali perfect pronghorn hide. Perfect pronghorn carcass. Banjo head wolf skull, moose antlers, campfire seat cover. Oh, berarti ini kita bisa nge-upgrade ya? Oke, cukup lah. Kita juga belum punya bahannya.
Good morning, Arthur.
Good morning to... Lah ini siapa nih?
You're Arthur, right?
My name ain't no concern of yours.
I'm hungry.
I don't give a damn.
Look, you seem like a decent feller behind it all.
Then you ain't a good judge of character.
Yeah, well, we'll leave it there then.
It. Oke, kita udah makan. Oh, makannya di sini. Tuh, mereka aja makannya duduk ya. Gue tadi makannya diri. Arthur, nggak ada adab kamu ya. Siapa itu? Uncle. Udah langsung aja lah kita jalanin misi Uncle ya.
Careful not to work yourself to death there, Uncle.
I was thinking.
Yeah, does it pay well?
Oh, eventually.
So, while the rest of us are busy stealing, killing, lying, fighting to try to survive, you get to think all day.
Well, it's a strange world we live in, Arthur Morgan.
Do you want to head into town? See if we can find anything out?
Sure, I got some errands to run.
Great. Go check the horses are ready.
You gonna take the old man into town? You take us too?
Well, what you got planned?
Nothing. We'll find something for y'all to do. We always do.
We're bored out of our minds. Been cooped up here for 2 weeks now. Karen's about ready to murder Grimshaw.
Well, can Miss Grimshaw spare you?
Can
Jaga
Miss
mata,
Grimshaw
jaga mata
spare you?
ya.
What's happened to you, Arthur? 3 young, healthy women want you to take them a robbing. You're worried about house chores.
Let's go.
Fair enough. You got me. Come on then.
I can't believe we're going to see civilization. Feels like weeks since we did.
Yeah, Valentine. Very embodiment of civilization. You ladies are gonna love it.
Okay then. Let's go.
All right. Out through the trees here, then take a left.
Hey. Yeah.
You want me to drive?
Whoa.
Mundur, 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 mundur. Mundur.
Now we're stuck.
Ini bukan mobil ya. Ini kuda. Jalan ngebut-ngebut aja sih.
Ladies, sing us a song. Look at that coach. He's all over the place.
Damn it! Oh, shit, Arthur! Damn horses.
Is one of you going to get that fella's horse?
Oh, I got lumbago. It's very serious.
Oke, kita tolong ya.
All right, I'll see what's going on.
Go on. He's an old man.
Lumbago, really? You all right
Gerobaknya
there,
apa, Pak?
friend?
Oh, hey, you couldn't help me get my other horse back from over there, could you?
Sure, no problem.
Thanks.
Kudanya lepas ya.
It's the white one over there.
Awas ada kereta. Ntar lu kena setan budek aja lu.
Whoa, easy.
You're a good man.
Back off now.
It looks pretty smooth. That's it, Arthur.
Pet. Kok nggak mau sih? Kuda.
Just get out of here.
G, bukan F, G. Gimana sih, G?
That's a good girl.
Oke, berhasil.
There, you got it. Well done, Arthur.
nggak ada kereta.
Here you go.
You're a gentleman, sir. A gentleman.
No, not really. I was just trying to impress the women.
Well, anyway, thank you.
Bisa aja Babang Arthur trying to impress woman.
Can we go now?
Yes, we can. Let's go, guys.
Come on, Arthur. Enough showing off. Come on, let's go.
Sabar, sabar.
You're turning into a regular old fairy godmother there, Arthur.
Orang namanya kesusahan tuh dibantu.
Means you got a heart. A small one, perhaps, hidden deep inside, but a real one. And you haven't, your pulseful lizard.
Aus nih.
Well, Arthur,
Ini palang pintu kereta pasar Minggu kayaknya.
If you lot hadn't been here, I probably would have robbed him.
Well, you did.
Smell those sheep. Or is that Uncle?
Oh, very funny.
This looks like a decent little town.
Other people. Finally.
Look at all that snow on the mountains. Sure don't want to be back up there.
You think we should have asked Molly to come with us?
Oh, no. Miss O'Shea is far too high and mighty now for the likes of us. Or to do any real work. She's a society lady now.
Go left here, down the main street. There's always on the right. Sure you can pick up some bounties there, Arthur.
Heaven forbid you put your head on the line.
Yeah, that's a young man's game.
Ooh, yes. We can get up to some mischief here, all right.
Just remember, keep a low profile.
Will you remember that, though, Arthur?
Probably not.
Let's park up down the end there, near the stables.
Minggir, jangan di jalan. Mau ditabrak apa?
Alright, here we are, just like I said, the cultural center of civilization. Man at his finest.
Uncle, what are we doing?
Well, we're gonna do what any self-respecting maniac does. Put women to work.
With pleasure. We'll start at the saloon.
Okay, just stay out of trouble and don't get yourselves noticed.
Right, I need to get something from the stores.
Okay, well, we'll see you at the general store when you're done.
Come on, ladies. Imagine we're in Paris.
Come on.
I imagine Paris and Valley.
So that's how you see yourself, is it? A maniac?
Well, in my youth, I used to be known as the one-shot kid.
Come on, try and help.
Okay. I'm not gonna ask why.
You are a sad man, Arthur Morgan. But I know you love me.
Desperately. You're my favorite parasite. No. Ringworm's my favorite parasite. You're my second favorite parasite.
Very funny.
I lied. Ringworm, then rats with the plague, then you.
Shut up. This is the place now. Come on. Morning.
So, what do you need?
Hell, a drop of whiskey for a start. You know, something to pass the time while we're waiting on the women.
Always thinking ahead, ain't you?
You're looking a bit tired there, Arthur. Why don't you pick up some coffee while we're here?
Let me know if you have any questions, fellers. Whiskey's
Oke,
on the
kita beli
top
kopi,
shelf
guys.
nearest the door.
Ini biskuit. Oh, ini kopi nih. Coffee.
Okay, if you're done, I'll meet you outside. I won't be too long.
Beli apa lagi ya?
So, you're actually buying for once? Are you feeling all right?
See this? Young folk got no respect for their elders no more. What do you reckon? The lamb or the sausage?
Well, this here's a sheep town. The lamb's the best in the state.
Now I know what the smell is.
Quaker and Fitz High Grade Coffee. Back. Kita udah beli satu soalnya. Di sini ada kue mochi nggak ya?
A jaw harp.
What is this list of yours?
I got a lot to replenish after that god-awful time in the mountains.
Apa bakpia gitu, bakpia?
Thank you kindly.
Nggak ada ya?
This should do the trick.
Ah, nggak ada ini mah.
Fine whiskey.
Here's to your good health, my sir. It's a funny world, you know. This time in my career, I pictured myself being married to an heiress.
Gentlemen, I think I got something good.
What?
I snuck into this fancy house. Acted like a servant girl. Usually works. Someone was saying her sister was taking a trip from New York or someplace. Train full of rich tourists heading to Saint Denis and then cruising off to Brazil.
Okay.
A train laden with baggage and passing through a bit of deserted country at night as to get to the docks in time for the tides in some place called Scarlet Meadows.
Yeah, I know it. Yeah, it's right out near New Hanover. Right, it's real quiet out there.
Sounds good. Where's Tilly and Karen?
I think at the hotel. They were picking up some drunken fellas that they was gonna rob.
Why?
It seemed easy. They have been gone for quite a while.
I guess I'll go see if there's any trouble.
Oh, there's Tilly over there. That does not look ideal.
Excuse me.
Diapain itu?
You can go kiss a damn snake for all I care. Get off me! Get off of me!
Get your hands off her, friend. Who are you?
A friend of mine.
Get off her.
Or what exactly?
You want to find out?
You're making a big mistake, Tilly Jackson.
Just get lost.
I ain't doing this with you.
Go wait with Uncle and Mary Beth. They're across the street.
Okay. Thanks, Arthur.
Ada aja loh.
Uncle! Look after her. I'm gonna go see about Karen in the hotel.
Masuk.
The sun is strong.
Can I help you, sir?
Brings a smile to my face.
I'm looking for a girl who came in here earlier with a drunk fella. Mid-20s, blonde. You'd remember her.
Yeah, they're in 2B upstairs. Are you, a friend of his?
A friend of hers.
2B.
They paid for the room up front, so I didn't ask any questions. No, they're upstairs. Room 2B.
Oh, upstairs. Sorry. Jalan cepet.
No trouble now, please.
Oke. I'm fine. Dua B nih. Oh, ini yang gede ya. Ini gede nih. Gimana gue masuk ini? F. Tendang pintunya. Diar. Kan.
Friend of hers. Get out of here, buddy. I paid. Ain't paid to hit her, you goddamn animal. Come here.
Dasar laki-laki Bajawa. Lo laki-laki Bajawa lo ya?
Trying to play him. Not very well.
You okay?
Fine. Yeah.
80.
Nothing to worry about. Just men. But Stupid bastard was boasting about the bank.
The bank?
Sure, I know small town banks are usually a waste of time, but this is a livestock town. There's lots of cash sometimes.
Okay. Keep investigating.
I will. After you.
Makanya jangan suka keliaran aneh-aneh. Lu udah ngikut tuh kan, bibirnya bonyok no.
Thank you, Arthur. I don't much like being saved, but when I have to be.
I understand.
You okay?
Sure. He only punched me. Arthur punched him a lot harder.
All right, then.
Hey, who's that guy over there looking at us?
Weren't you in Blackwater a few weeks back?
Me? No, sir. Ain't from there.
Oh, you were. Well, I definitely saw you with a bunch of fellers.
Me? No. Impossible. Listen, buddy, come here for a minute.
I saw you.
Come here.
Come on, get!
I don't like this. Me neither. Go get the girls home. I'm gonna go have a word with our friend.
Be careful, Arthur.
Just a word. Yeah! Just borrowing it. Get back here right now!
Mana dia? Ya tadi kemana ya? Oh itu dia tuh. Kejar. Man from kok jatuh lah.
Why are you telling lies about me?
No. I got it wrong, partner. I got it very wrong. Now, please help me up.
I ain't never been in Blackwater.
Then why are you chasing me?
I've got an unfortunate face.
Yes, me too. Now, please pull me up. Please. I made a mistake. I'm sorry.
All right, come on.
Tolong kaki saya sakit.
You okay, partner?
No, I am not. I'm a mess.
Well, you ain't dead.
There is that. Jimmy Brooks.
I think it's best for both of us if we pretend this never happened.
Well, I agree. You saved my life. You're a good man, and here. You want a pen? It's one of them steel ones.
Oh. That's very kind of you. But I'm not a good man, Jimmy Brooks. Not usually. You see, I was in Blackwater. I killed people. And maybe I should have killed you. Should I have killed you, Jimmy Brooks?
Me? I never saw you. Not now, not never. I think we have an understanding?
Of course we do. Jimmy Brooks. I will remember that. I've got a good memory.
I haven't. Not one lick. Not 1 cent in this here old mind. Come on. You have a nice day now, sir. Yep.
Oh, bunga bisa diambil juga ya. Oh, wild carrot, wortel liar. Kok tiba-tiba gua jongkok ya? Lah, kuda gua mana nih? Lah kuda gue mana? Sekarang kita kemana nih? Mungkin kita bisa berburu ya. Coba kita lihat di maps. Lah mending kita balik dulu ini mah. Heavier Escuela. Kenapa sih yang ditongolin yang gede-gede mulu ya?
Partner?
Ya kenal gue dia.
Am I glad to see you? Yeah. Come on, Charles.
How you keep? I'm all right.
I'm very uncomfortable with you following behind me like that.
All right, there we go. Oh, Arthur, come here, come over here. I want you to meet our friends.
Pleased to meet you.
Well, ain't you just the toughest teak mountain man?
Oh, you be quiet, Anastasia. Anyone can tell this one is a pussy cat.
Exactly. Yes, he's a pussy cat. Ain't that so, Arthur?
Whatever you say. How much you cost, anyway?
Well, ain't that a nice way to talk to a lady?
Oh, I didn't know I was talking to a lady.
Excuse me.
Nah, pergi lo, pergi ya.
I must say, you got a fine way with the women, amigo.
Yeah, regular dandy and a charmer. Where's Bill?
Oh, man. I dread to think about it. Hey. There he is.
Watch where you're going. Take it
Are
easy,
you about to
pal.
kiss that guy or
Take it
punch
easy,
him?
huh?
Oh, and we have our answer.
Oh, jadi rusuh. Wih. Cepet. Pukul. Mampus.
Come here, you little greaser.
Finish!
Yeah, hit like a girl.
There you go. We can deal with these fellers. Go get on here.
Hey, tough guy.
Waduh, gede banget nih orang ya. Waduh.
Come on.
Hujan lagi.
Really, boy?
Uh. Waduh. Hmm. Wah, Song nih ngecekin mulu anjir. Lepasin gak? Bangke ini orang gede banget sih. Ah. Wey, gua nggak bisa mukul wey. Mana? Mampus.
Stop! Please, I beg you, stop. Come, sir. You won the fight already. Surely that's enough.
Kenapa diberhentiin sih?
No business. No business, sir, but please, I beg you.
Tangan gue mau dipatahin loh.
Making new friends again, I see, Arthur.
Look who we found sniffing about.
Josiah Trelawney.
The very same.
Well, I thought you'd gone to New York.
And miss all this glamour. You must be joking.
How are you?
Well, quite well indeed. I went to Blackwater looking for you gentlemen. You're not very popular there, it seems. Ah, Javier and Charles. I've missed you. And Bill looking as well as can be. Gentlemen, always a pleasure.
You're right. We ain't too popular in Blackwater.
We left a lot of money there.
And young Sean, it seems.
Sean, you found him.
Yes, I have. He's being held by some bounty hunters, trying to see how much money the government will pay them. I know he's in Blackwater, but there's talk of them moving.
Well, if we step foot in Blackwater... Well, then we're dead men for sure.
There'll be Pinkertons all over the place, but if he's alive, we gotta try.
Yeah, of course.
It's you they want, Dutch.
Always is. Charles, go find out what you can, carefully. Josiah, take Javier. Arthur, go get yourself cleaned up. Join them when you're ready.
What about me?
Well, exactly. What about you?
What does that mean?
Oh, Bill, come on.
Nah, jadi kotor baju gua. Oke guys, kayaknya sampai sini aja deh untuk game RDR 2-nya. Makasih buat teman-teman semua. Terima kasih buat teman-teman semua yang sudah menyaksikan. Sampai ketemu di video selanjutnya.